So here's an example of what the Showbie project looked like when the children would log in. They would have their how-to videos that I'd previously uploaded with some examples of activities to do. So if we click on, for example, how to relax, which was quite a popular one, the children would watch the video and then they could listen to some meditations that were linked to the video, and there was an explanation about the task of what to do. And then children would do that, and then they could upload some evidence to say that they've done it. So for example, this person made a poster, this person created video content to tell us about what their reflections were. Here we've got how to make a simple meal. Again, they look at the recipes, they design a simple meal, and then they would post evidence of it. For example, here. And that's how they would earn a badge towards their certificate.